Hey, Dan back at it with the stream. What's going on? Trying to figure out some stream element stuff. How you doing, buddy? Pink Paws, Saba, what's going on? Exclamation mark race to get in here. Don't know if you saw in the Discord. We pulled an alt Machamp from Jat's pull box. Yo, that's insane. I did not see that. Yo, good Gaffa, how's it going? How are ya? Oh man. How many Entei does Mike have? I'm just looking at the thing. Yo, congrats on that, buddy, Pink Paws. That's fantastic. That's huge. How's everyone doing? Kiko, how are you? Just getting settled in home from work. Nice. So, my plan is to kind of simmer off the stream in about half an hour, be fully done the stream in 45 minutes, and then start making dinner. So it's going to be a bit of a shorter one. My stream elements isn't working either, so I'm trying to figure that out. It's been like a few days since it last worked properly. At first it was just slow, now it doesn't seem to be working at all. Which is a real shame, because it was super handy. I don't know what I have to do to get it to work again. I've tried like disconnecting it and like removing its connection and then reauthorizing it, modding it, unmodding it, all that. Making chili fries. Oh, so nice. Oh, fries, so good. I'm gonna be making, I said it earlier, bacon, Brussels sprouts, and then some spaghetti with some bolognese sauce. That's on the menu tonight. Yeah, see, stream elements just isn't having it. Nice. Yo, Daibuncha, what's going on? Dan, how are you? What is going on? It's so sad, you know? It's just not working for us. Papa Dan, what's up? Willie, how are you? Hope everyone's doing good. Scratch that, someone just pulled the ulti arrow. Now you're trading with them. Oh, that's a mighty fine trade. That's a crazy pull box. Holy sheesh. Unless the alt arrow was from like a pack. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing's still not working. I don't know. From a pull box day. That's a big boy pull box full of goodies, eh? That's some good stuff. I don't know what's going on. Hensai Lord, how are you? How are you doing? Yo, my dubby buddy. Yo. Hobby broke it. It's possible. Quite possible. Yo, Drud. Welcome on in. What's up? Not too much. How about yourself? We were doing some music and Donkey Kong earlier. Now doing like a short Pokemon stream. Possibly streaming after dinner. Not 100% sure yet though. But we shall see. Oh, what's this? It's like marbles, but it's with race cars. So exclamation mark race to get in. Mike, how you doing? Exclamation mark race. Carbles. Carbles. Carbohydrates. That's when the cars drink some water. So unfortunately, exclamation mark shop just might not work tonight. Squilliam, we meet again. Yeah, man, I don't know what's going on here. It's so sad, because, like, I don't know. I hope it's not broken forever, Stream Elements. I hope one day it just starts working again, you know? Love that your incitation to come to the stream is Dan's currently baking cookies. Come get them while they're warm. Glad you enjoy that, Dread. It used to be something along the lines of, like, come get a free kiss, but now it's cookies. Has the secret rare been pulled from Scarlet? It has not. Mr. Miriam, I see you in here. Made some garlic bread? Come through and get some in. Yo. That sounds delightful. How many packs are there? Let's see. It's almost a full box. I think maybe like 2 packs were taken. It's pretty full. So 14 on the one side. Might turn into the violet for you. Yeah, literally only 1 pack's been taken. So 29 packs left. But those odds are slightly better than getting a full sealed box. Send me some of that. Pokecard Hunter, how are you? Shoppy Slorpy. Stream Elements isn't even appearing as one of the users in the chat, I don't think. Like, it doesn't show up if you try to tag them. Or if you try to tag it, the corporation. Like, it doesn't auto-fill, you know? Good, how's the food? The food was... I just had a banana and a yogurt, and then did a little workout. Play packs left, we've got 4, I believe? Yes. 4 play packs left. So I was doing this workout, I was doing one of those HIIT workouts, those high-intensity interval training. It's supposed to, you know, you just move real fast, real hard, get the blood flowing, and then it's supposed to help burn calories after the fact. It's like super high intensity. It wasn't terribly intense, but it was like 3 exercises done 3 times each, and then another set of 3 exercises done 3 times each. And I thought it was done because, like, after counting the time it would have taken, I was like, okay, well, now it's done. That was the last one. And they're like, okay, we got 1 more round, 3 different exercises. And I was like, what the hell? Like, I'm dying. Like, I literally pushed through thinking I was at the end, and then had to keep going. And I was like, this is, you know, it's like once you're at that point where you're like already dying, and then you continue to exercise, that's when you really make those gains and changes. Like, that's probably like the most effective thing. So I was like, okay, so now I'm dying and starving. Sounds like something else where you move your hips and it's high. Whoa, whoa, hey. This is a family-friendly stream. 2 Wheel of Dooms, 15 Scarlet. Sounds good. Good guffaw. Gonna send for a pack of Scarlet and a pack of Violet for you to give away from this race. Yo, buddy Pink Paws, that's way too kind of you. You don't gotta do that, my dude. Absolutely insane. Oh, and dips. Yo, Gabriel, what's going on? Still trying to figure out Stream Elements, but it's not looking great. Buddy Pink Paw's way too kind, spreading that love. An absolute gem. What are we gonna do with you? We're gonna have to ban you if you keep doing this. My bad, I'll behave. Didn't realize it was family friendly. I mean, it's family friendly, not making a family friendly sort of thing. a gem mint 10. Penny hunting. Yeah, y'all, each and every one of you, you're fantastic. Goated with the sauce. I don't even know. We have a fantastic community. It's crazy. Everyone's all about the love. It's just wholesome. It's a lot of positive energy. It just makes me happy to be here with all of you. Definitely the highlights of my day every time I stream. You know, y'all are something else. Stream Elements is not something else though. Stream Elements can eat my butt. This is true. I am goated with the sauce. Thank you for streaming for us. No, the pleasure. Pleasure's all mine. Yeah, so let me grab a pack of Scarlet and a pack of Violet. We're cracking open a new box for the pack of Violet, and we'll be giving away some packs for this race, folks. Dan, you prefer us not to use the website for transactions? Correct. I made it now so that you can't even really use the website anyway, because it'll charge you $200 shipping. But yeah, if you go through PayPal or e-transfer, eventually I do want to work on making a shop that you can use it, just to make it easier for everyone. But that's just going to take a bit of time. I gotta, figure that stuff out. And the shop command's not working, folks. I'm so sorry. Rather use your credit card. Through my PayPal link, you should be able to use your credit card. So even if you don't go through the shop, PayPal still allows credit cards. Let me grab the links for you folks here. See how inconvenient it's making it? I really should probably get Nightbot going actually as a backup for times like these. So maybe I'll work on that during this race. So there's the thingy there for the shop. You can also find it in my About section, I think. I probably have it somewhere in there. I don't think I have the PayPal or e-transfer infos, but you can find those in the shop too if you need, or I'll throw them in here as well. Stream Element's been sucking, honestly. You should make a PayPal. Try it out. Gabriel is cute, like without an account. If you click that PayPal link, you might be able to just like pay directly without an account. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like it sets it up in a way where it's almost transactional. No, I think you do need an account actually, but it's pretty handy. Thank you for putting in the link there, Buddy Pink Fuzz. 5 dips too. Sir, to make you crack a new box, yo, not a problem. Yo, Miho with the raid.
Look at all those chickens.
Dude, what the heck? We don't even have our commands working in here. Eric, what's going on? Sassy Queen, what's happening? Twitch CTO, Polar Burrs, Faceless Jim. You fine folks, ! Race. We're about to do a little race giveaway for a pack of Scarlet EX and Violet EX Japanese. Chat led the raid. Yo, chat today is just something else. Like, everyone's just freaking fantastic. I literally will come to each and every one of your houses and give you a big ol' smooch. Y'all are something. I don't even know what to do with you. Folks, I think everyone here's following Miho already. If you're not, I don't know what you're doing. You must be asleep, I guess? I don't know. How can you not be following me? Spammerai? Spamherai? How are you? How's everyone doing? Happier Galaxy? What's going on? Yo, J2! How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I think it's a long weekend for everyone, right? It's President's Day on Monday for the folks in the US, Family Day for everyone in Canada. Yo, Mesmerized Viper Dad. What's going on, folks? Hanging in there. Hope all's well. All's pretty good. Food time started to dip. Yo, no worries at all, Miho. It's, yo, Eric's a mod here. Sorry, I've been lurking. No worries at all. Yeah, Miho, go get some food in ya. It's the thing with the stream. It's like when you're tired and hungry, you want to end the stream, so you gotta throw it over to someone. So it's like, for me at least, like, I completely understand. If I wasn't tired and hungry, I'd continue streaming, so it's like, I got a raid because I want to go, sort of thing. But thank you so much for bringing the community over here. Yeah, get some good food in you, my dude. Much love. Been on Hogwarts for 12 hours? Sheesh! Kids have all week off next week. That'll keep you busy. Oh, dang. That's something. That'll definitely keep you busy. Always a good time here. Too kind, Faceless Jim. Glad you're enjoying it. So, cracking this fresh box of Violet. And then we're taking a pack for this race. I may as well start the countdown now. This is supposed to be a shorter stream. Oh, cool. That's my capture card. I gotta make dinner in like half an hour or less. So I think we'll have to do a last call on the shop right now, even though we're literally just starting the stream. We got some stuff for Good Guffaw, and then we might be on later tonight. But yeah, a little bit shorter. Kids out of school here, so you took the week off work. Oh, snap. Why is everyone... It's not March break yet. Everyone's just got school off. Or is it like exam time in high school so they're off sort of thing? Happier Galaxy with the follow, thank you so much. Really appreciate that. Exclamation mark race if you're not in the race, folks. Get yourselves in here. I guess I may as well join as well, you know, just to make things rigged. I read the word read while I said the word rigged, so I went rigged. Gonna go till you hit the secret rare? Hell yeah. 2 more followers to go. So cool, that's my capture card again. I think the count's behind. I'm actually at like 93 instead of 98. I think we lost a few, but that's all right. Way she goes. It's called Reading Week. It's Reading Week already? When's the semester start? I guess it must be Reading Week. Sheesh. I haven't been in school in like a few years. The Violet is a brand new box. The Scarlet has had 1 pack pulled. Best of luck, folks. Why can't we buy via shop? So the shop takes like extra fees and stuff, so I just prefer people to go through PayPal or e-transfer. Like, the shop uses PayPal, but then adds like an extra 10% on, like, on my end. So I end up just losing money if people go through the shop versus PayPal sort of thing. But also, the command isn't even working right now. Gotta figure that out. Got a second Miriam on Sunsoul and send that too. Oh, snap. Yo, what is happening? Magikarp Sky with the raid? What's going on, folks? How is everyone doing? Yeah, so instead of paying directly on the shop, I have a PayPal link. So if you, like, specifically know the amount you need to send, then you just go to this link and send it, sort of thing. It's a little confusing. Magikarp Sky, thank you so much. How's the stream? How's everyone doing? Rar Cake, Hex Tasty, how are ya? Folks, please go spread some love over to Magikarp Sky, our friend from over in the UK. Rar Cake with the follow. Much, much appreciated. This is really nuts. We're literally just... Everyone's in these tires. We're having a great time. Who's in the lead right now? J2? $10 pile up. PayPal gives you conversion fees though. So, like, if it was through the shop, it would put those conversion fees on my end, so it's pretty stinky. But it's basically like if you went through the shop, then like I would lose out to the fees and then the shop fees. So it's like just to make sure I'm not losing money. The fees typically are covered on the purchaser's end sort of thing until I set up an actual shop, in which case it'll be like accounted for. It's a thing. I don't know. I gotta figure it all out. It was a great stream. Been really busy with work, so hadn't been able to stream in a while, but it's great to be back. Hell yeah. Glad you had a good one. Viper Dad took the win. Oh, snap. BRB, no worries. Conversion fees suck. They really do. And there's, not to my knowledge, no way to avoid it. Especially if you're only doing a purchase of like one pack, say, then it's like the conversion fees are literally like $4. Convert it for free on Google. Exactly, right? How many Violet packs left? There will be 29 packs left from this box. Alright, Viper Dad, congrats to you. I've got to update the queue real quick here. Degen. Mesmerize, depending on what you're getting through the PayPal thing, depending on how much you're getting, I could probably let it slide if you do the goods and services tab, and then it'll put the conversion on my end, I think. Come up with some sort of deal. Let me just make sure my queue's open. Let's get into this camera shot here. Oh, it was only after one pack. Fair. Cool. That's a crazy camera shot right now. All right, if you want to do goods and services this one time, Mesmerize, send it through, and then I'll use that as an experiment to see like what exactly I get charged on my end. Spent way too much this month. Fair enough. No worries. No pressure at all. No problem. Gotta go to sleep, so sleepy. Hope you have a great stream. Thanks so much for hanging out, Magikarp Sky. Yeah. It's... What time is it? Because, yeah, you're in the UK. It's late. Get that rest. Thank you so much for the raid. Really appreciate it. Take it easy. Alright, Viper Dad with the win. Hex Tasty with the follow. Thank you so much, Hex Tasty. Welcome to the family. Sending for five Violet. Sounds good. Spent 58 on shipping from America. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Things be nutty. Hex Tasty, thank you. Alright, Viper Dad, best of luck. Make sure you thank Buddy Pink Paws as well for gifting these packs to the stream. Buddy Pink Paws, much love, my dude. Fantastic. Just making my heart swelter. Did I see your slabs with Bago? I don't think I did, Mesmerize. What sort of things did you have? I'm gonna have to open Pokélector beside this, because like I have no idea what this card is. Some sort of trainer. No worries, best of luck on the pulls. An absolute legend. Fusions, Gengar, VMAX, Alt, Espeon, both 10s. Oh! That's so nice. Congrats on that. That's so sick. That's insane. Team Star. Teamstar Grunt. Teamstar Grunt or Teamstar Grunts? There's two of them. They don't really look like grunts. They looked happy. Usually grunts are like grunting? I don't know. We got Silicobra. Almost said Silicanda. So you have to go with your Master Fusions. Hell yeah. Fusion's so nice. We got Fido the Cutie. Grimer. And can we hit something big for Viper Dad? We got some sort of poultry. Espathra. Send for 5 Violet. Sounds good, Willie. Yep, we'll get you added to the queue. Karen Burb. Now, is that the bird's legal name on its driver's license? Karen Burb? Alright, so we were doing, for Good Guffaw, 15 Scarlet, right? 5 Dips and 2 Wheel of Dooms. Right? Okay, Good Guffaw, you've been added. William, let's get you added. We're letting this Violet pack marinate for Viper Dad over here. We also have an ad that's going to hit real soon, but we'll do this pack first. All right, Willie, you've been added. Let's see, what am I missing in chat here? Lady Gaga Burb. Oh, man. If anyone pulls Dodonzo Art Rare from Scarlet, you'd be down to trade for it. Ooh, such a beautiful card. I saw that recently on, what was it, Sunsoul? Maybe pulled it for Good Guffaw? Maybe? I remember seeing it somewhere. Yeah, such a nice card. So excited for the English. Like, there's 24 art rares. Hopefully we get to see them all. 6 or 12 from each set. Dan, guessing which episode of One Piece you're in already? Hentai Lord, which episode? Tell me. No, William. This is literally the first pack from the new box of Violet. 552, when did you start watching? Jesus. You're like halfway through. Good luck, Viper Dad. Fresh box Pog. Yeah, yeah. Have a dupe if you want a Japanese one. Ooh. I'm not like too into the Japanese ones, but thank you for the offer. Blissey. Citadel. Shuppet. Houndour. Started when I was streaming episode 30. Sheesh. You crazy. But yeah, when it comes to English, then I'm for sure getting all the art rares. Gonna have to. And for Viper Dad, we got a Hollow Annihilate. Alright, nice little monkey action for you, Viper Dad. And again, Buddy Pink Paws, thank you so much. Much love, all the love. let's run the ad now, and then we'll get a bag going for Viper Dad, and then we're moving into Good Guffaws. Good Guffaws, if you want to let me know some numbers for the dips and the Scarlet packs. And I'll set the Wheel of Doom up as well. Still Sakalo? Oh, hell yeah. Randos for all sounds good. Let's see, can I get the Wheel of Doom? Oh, I needed to update the shop, actually. Lost Origin packs and Silver Tempest build and battle kits came in today. So I gotta put those as in stock. And Milky, sounds good. Alright, there's the wheel. Let's grab you some Milkies. I'm going to do every 3. And let me know how many shuffles to do for the wheel, and we'll do some shuffles and then a spin. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Best of luck. And then we'll do the second spin right after. Unless you want me to shuffle again. Yo, Eric with the sub. Thank you so much, Eric. 3 months. Hell yeah. Really appreciate that. Modern dips. Let's change that from being 1 modern to like 5 modern. I think I had it modern. I think I had dips when I had less packs available. I don't know what's going on with that. 5 moderns for you. That'd be a little stinky. Do you want another shuffle or just a spin? Spin. And then we'll end with the dips. Oh! Champion Path, GG's. We've never seen the Rainbow Zard, but we've seen the shiny Charizard V from it. So let's see what we can do. Thank you, Wheel. Now goodbye, Wheel. All right. Good luck. Good guffaw. Starting off, we got Crocodile. Yo, that's like the first time Crocodile's looked cute. Usually he's like super scary and intimidating. Adorable. We got Crocorock. So the commands aren't working with Stream Elements right now, Viper Dad, but if someone's able to post the link in there. But we do have to wrap it up in like 15 minutes, so we might not be able to take any more orders for today. Let's see a penny. What the heck is this thing? This artwork's so sick. Flittle. I like that. We got Bisharp. And a holographic Doohickey. What's it? Revaroom. All right. Some sort of automobile, I guess. What the heck? I don't know what this is. It's something. Pack number 2. We got Fido's Evolution Dashbun. We got is this Go-Goat? No, that's not Go-Goat. Is it? Or Skiddo. I was gonna say the eyes don't look like Go-Goat. Skiddo. We got Charcadet, Bruxish, and a holographic Armor Rouge. We're learning lots of new Pokemans. There's a good chance, I can't confirm, but I definitely want to be streaming later tonight. Because this isn't enough Pokemon. We got Lucario, that's a cool one. Dedenne. Some sort of bird. Wattrel. Ponyard, that's a cute one. And we hit this the other day. Defiant Band. Next up, we got another Lucario. Sandile. Wiglet. Love that one. Seviper, that's a cool artwork too. There's a lot of nice artworks in this. Oh! Oh my goodness. Good guffaw. Gyarados Terrestrial EX. Is that how you pronounce it? Terrastal. Terrastal. So pretty nice. I swear we haven't gone through a Japanese box without hitting one of the Terrastalized. So far, this is only our second box of Scarlet on stream, but both boxes we hit Gyarados. Both boxes of Violet we've hit Arcanine. So I don't know. Good stuff. It'd be really cool to hit one of like the full RDX versions of those. Next up, we got Wattrel's Evolution Kilowattrel. Wow. What a crazy name. Drifloon. Smoliv. Krogunk. Nice. Oh! Back-to-back EXs with the Toxicroak. Very nice. It evolved. Honestly. I'm loving these EXs. I don't know about you fine folk, but like, EX is so much nicer than V's for me. Like that's just delicious. The Frog Boy. We got Sandaconda, Sandile, Wattrel. We've got Ponyard, XP Share. Oh, we got Mr. Shrimp. Tatsugiri. Like some sort of sushi looking ass. We got Staravia. Flittle. Weasel. And we got the guy who's got the Tatsugiri, Dondozo. I want to call him Dodonzo, but it's Dondozo. See, he's got the little guy in there. Too cute. The Don John. The Big Don. I really like him. And yeah, fantastic art rare for him as well. It's kind of cool seeing some like Pokemon you've never seen like already get an art rare. Some nice stuff. We got Drifblim. It's not Smoliv. It's not Arboliv. It's Dolliv. Whoa. That's crazy. Fido. Seviper. And a King Gambit, I think. Is there even a King's Gambit play in chess, or is it just Queen's Gambit? I mean, I guess you could Gambit with whatever you want. Torkoal. Cacnea. So happy. There's a blade called the King's Gambit. Well. Color me impressed. Wiglet. Drifloon. Not a professor. Is this a professor? Kind of looks like a professor. No, it's just Jacques. Oh, this guy's got a secret rare alt art. Well, snap. He is the man. Oh. Well. We got Zangoose. Bisharp. Lechonk. Oh my goodness, so cute. So adorable. We got Crocodile. Yo, Great Tusk, right? Great Tusk EX. Good Guffaw currently cleaning up the EXs. Literally just like stabbed myself trying to grab the thing. They're going for a Japanese master set for this. No. How you doing, Break Your Bed? For myself, I'm not really a Japanese collector. I've put way too much effort into the English collection. But for English, I haven't decided if I'm going to master Scarlet Violet yet. But at the moment, I'm thinking I'd like to. We got Cacturne. That's a really cool artwork. Bruxish. Charcadet. Grimer. Palpad. Playable. Yeah, what's going on? How are you, Break Your Bed? The commands are just not having it today. We got Muck. Curlia. I think this is Varum. Yeah. Meditite. Oh! Curlia art rare. That's a sweet one. I know we've seen the Ralts art rare, I think. Pretty sure. Very nice. Very cute. First art rare of the box. Oh, so excited for the English and some of the promos from like the ETBs with the stamp, the Pokemon Center stamp. You know what? I'm gonna just throw this guy there. We've got 3 packs left for you. Binge eating Ferrero chocolates until you have a heart attack. Ferrero. Those are pretty good. We got Torkoal, Magikarp. My buddy used to work at the factory that manufactured them or packaged them, Flittle, but I think he hated it there. Ponyard. We got, I want to say training court, but I don't think this is training court. I think this is just like a tennis court. Beach court. Well, excuse me. Well, all right. All right, my timer's going off. We really need to end soon. Zangoose, Starly, Wattrel, Smoliv, Floatzel. Last pack magic for Good Gaffa. We got Palpad, Staravia, Fido, Sandile, and Wugtrio. The Wuggy Lad. Oh. Alright. No secret rare from the Scarlet, but an art rare in 3X is not bad. Champion's Path. And then, yeah, let you know how many are left. You'll get them. Sounds good. I can definitely hold them for you, Good Gaffa, but we won't be able to get to it for this stream. I do have to get going. We got the Fighting Energy, Great Bulb, but after dinner, might have to come right back on. Pokemon Center, Team Yell Grunt, Purloin, Scraggy, Pokeball, Nickit, Hatena. We got Sizzlipede Reverse. Oh, there's something beautiful for you. Galarian Corsola V, or Galarian Cursula V. Oh my goodness, look at that. Holy. Out of nowhere. GG's on that. That's some fantastic one-pack magic right there. Alright, let's do the Dipskis for you. We got Single Strike, Scroll of Fang, Dragon Reverse from Evolving Skies, with a Chandelure Hollow from Lost Origin. Aroma Lady Reverse, Evolving Skies, with a Boss's Orders Hollow from Brilliant Stars. Hawlucha Reverse, Silver Tempest, with a Charmander Hollow from Detective Pikachu. Now that's a cutie. Togepi Reverse, Astral Radiance, with a Machamp Holographic, Lost Origin. Zissou Reverse, Astral Radiance, with a Galarian Runerigus Holographic from Chilling Reign. And 5 Milky Dips for you. Starting off, we got the Grass Energy from Neogenesis, Fighting Energy from base set, Full Heal from base set, Moo Moo Milk. This legally entitles you to 2 more Milky Dips from Expedition, and a Grass Energy from base set. Did you want them just random? Rando good, sounds good. Let's do that guy, and let's do that guy. We got a fighting energy from base set with a Mankey tops. I think we'll throw you some extras here, I think. It's a lot of energies. But a nice little monkey lad. We got a Kadabra from base set for you. Gotta love some tops. We got a few tops in the Milky Dips this time around. And we got a TV7 Professor Oak full art from tops. Hey, that's pretty good. Well, thank you so much for supporting the stream. Good guffaw. Let's get this added to your bag. And then we got some packs for Willie, and then that's going to be it for us for right now, folks. Whoa, thank God they're top-loaded. Oh, my pleasure. Those sure don't look like cookies. OMAD skills. How you doing, dude? We're doing 5 more packs and then getting going for dinner. Or getting going to make dinner. Willie, let me know what 5 packs you'd like. Dang phone, sorry. Nah, y'all good. You all good. Is the queue updating? There we go. Shquilliam. Where you at? Woo! Oh, look at that. Look at that dog. Let me know which packs you'd like. Smell them out. Oh, that one. Oh. I like that one. Oh. They all smell like king crab, I'll be honest. But that could just be my fingies. Gotta sniff out the SR. That's what it's all about. Good luck to you, Willie. We've got a bird. That's all I know. Some sort of bird. Thank you all. Bombardier. Floette. Tandemouse. Scatterbug. All I hear is gunshots right now. It's crazy. And we got Greedent. The Greedy Beaver. We got Mousehold. Grievard. Chansey. Clauncher. And a holographic Pomot, I think, right? Yeah, because this is the stage 2. Ooh, Pomot action. What you making for dinner tonight? We're doing Brussels sprouts, bacon, spaghetti, and bolognese. A nice little bolognese sauce, and then bacon Brussels sprouts. Also, does everyone here know what a pierogi is? Because apparently in Texas, they don't have pierogies. I can't find any anywhere. I asked someone at the grocery store. They're like, what is that? I'm like, pierogi. They're like, huh? I'm like, it's like potato. It's like potato stuffed dough, like a dumpling. And they're like, she's like, dumplings? That's a crime not to know, right? We were going to do it with the bacon and Brussels sprouts, but no. Who's this guy? Irvin? This was something cadet. Nope. Capsicid. I'm thinking char cadet. That's Capsicid. Floet. Polish? So most likely not. I guess not. I don't know. They just have pierogies. Kleitzer. We got Fortress. 2 more packs for you, Willie. So we're just so sad. I don't know what we're gonna do. We need pierogies. We got Picnic Basket, Capsicid, Kleitzer, the Spritzer, Pomo, Pachirisu. Last pack, Willie. Come on. Ultra Ball. Capsicid. Flababy. Chansey. And a Spiritomb. Non-hollow. Willie, that was a little stinky. Three modern dips for you. You need some more holographics in here. Timber reverse battle styles, but then we really got to get going. We'll be on later tonight, I think, folks. Machamp Hollow from Champion's Path. Then we got Timpole Reverse Evolving Skies. With a Professor's Research Hollow from V-Star Universe. Willie got the stinky packs out of the way for the rest of us, honestly. What a gentleman. Avalugg Reverse from Evolving Skies. Willie's such a gentleman, honest to God. And we got a Victini Hollow from Evolving Skies. I'll deliver garlic toast soon. Hell yeah. Well, thank you so much for supporting the stream, William. Really appreciate it. Stick around for the raid, folks. I think we gotta go with Javi if he's still on, because why not? We'll just raid him all day long. Stick around for the raid, please, folks. Spread that love. And we'll catch you maybe later tonight. Thanks so much, everyone, for hanging out and supporting the stream. Love y'all. We'll catch you. Y'all are fantastic. That's all I can say. I say y'all a lot. Like a real Texan now, I guess. I always say y'all. It's very neutral and very inclusive. So thank y'all. And thank y'all for watching. Peace out, folks. Know you.
Here we go.